Have you ever really taken a walk through downtown Kingston and really taken the art scene? Well, Sanjay did.
All road leads downtown Kingston every last Sunday for Kingston Creative.
Kingston, just be quiet. Kingston, free up the eye, yeah.
Right now we're here with one of the first 50 founders / sponsors of Kingston Creative, Joan Webley. First of all, Joan, explain to us what our first 50 sponsor is.
Okay, so Itopia Life, Jamaica's premier medical cannabis company, located opposite the Canadian Embassy, is a first 50 founder of Kingston Creative. And what that means is that we are the first ganja company to come out in a really forceful way and say we support creatives. We support the culture, we support the arts, we support the redevelopment of downtown Kingston with all of the artists involved.
Kingston town, wherever youth a hunt for them own. Tell them in a Kingston.
Here with the director for Kingston Creative, Andrea Chung. Andrea, first of all, give us a little bit of history. How did this all come about?
Well, Kingston Creative started about 2 years ago, and we decided, what would we do? We want to make an art district and a creative hub, but we don't have anything downtown. What should we do? And we started to do an art walk. So the artists came together, started performing in unusual places, abandoned buildings, parking lots, and it's just grown into this full day now of activities that include dance, tours of historical buildings like Holy Trinity Cathedral, and just Moko Jumbi, John Canoe, like a whole heap of performances are going on, and the whole of downtown is alive with art and culture.
Here we have a piece entitled Man of Valor. This is a depiction of Vibes Cartel. My aim was to basically depict important men in society.
My name is Brad Pinnock.
Tell us about this painting.
Alright, so this painting is entitled Self-Inflicted Warfare Against a Destructive Identity. And the whole idea of this painting came to me through my own personal life experience with trying to find myself and trying to find my identity and my place in this world.
Creative elevation.
Attacking more the vital spaces in the community.
This piece is actually about Jamaican call centers. So it's a personal evil to me, so I found a way to depict it using found objects and certain levels of geometry.
What inspired this?
I can often remember my grandfather killing the goat around time like this, the Christmas time.
My piece is basically about the Obia law. Recently the whole discussion came up on social media about, legalizing it. And I felt like I needed to do it because when I read the law for myself, I saw a lot of things, especially saying that you can't practice African spirituality.
Even in the darkest night, Selassie is my light. Jah is always there by my side. Though sometimes I lose my way.
This way is right here, so it's Studio Dan, Penpowerment. I'm Danija Taylor, a creative writer, member of Life Yard, a very creative movement from Fleet Street.
We call Skululup.
Skululups is the wetness on top. That make the whole taste change. This is where it starts from. Without the skululups and with the skululups. So what we have normally is cornmeal with skululups, potato with skululups, toto, and pumpkin with skululups, carrot with skululups.
I like that word. I think I forgot to eat it next year.
We just register it. I am called from now on the skululups man.
And if that king of kings still
We are inside Swiss Stores and F&B downtown. That's at 107 Harbour Street.
And how does this tie into the whole Kingston Creative movement?
So Kingston Creative Movement, so with them we were the first location to accommodate Kingston Creative. So we started with a meetup, a creative meetup, which is every Friday, every last Friday of the month. So it's always the Friday before the Sunday art walk. F&B downtown is the restaurant where you can eat and drink. So we open all week, we drink lunch, and we have art exhibition with Craig Pangsang and Kian Hutchinson.
Healing thoughts through arts. So basically that's our logo, that's our slogan, that we actually just create healing art, healing messages that we can impact ones within the subconscious mind and using art to heal them in a whole different way. So knowing Barrow Street is one of these little small streets which is very much vital, very much on that intense level, but yet still we're out here and we're doing it. We're creating arts, we're creating movements, we're using art to really change the world on that aspect.
Right now we're here with Doris, Director of Kingston Creative. Doris, how happy are you with today's unfolding?
Happy, really happy. No, it was a great day. We had full days of 25 artists coming out, making Barry Street their own, working with the community, helping and assisting us in any way they could. It was just fantastic.
Kingston town, the place I long to be.
Kingston Creative, more than just an event, it's a movement.